In this video, I want to share with you a GPT that I created that generates really high quality listings loaded with SEO that we can use for our merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that GPT, I just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today it is Monday, February 10th, 6:13 a.m. No sales so far, but yesterday I had a pretty good day. I did 35 sales, $56 in royalties. The day before that, I did 52 sales and $58 in royalties, but that is going to put me at 391 sales for the month of February and $534 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, link is in the description. I also post like family pics, entrepreneur pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So for the past week or so, I've kind of gone down this rabbit hole of experimenting with GPTs. And if you don't know what a GPT is, it's basically a mini chat GPT for a very specific topic. So basically, you just give it instructions and you tell it what to do and you tell it what you want it to do. And I made one specifically for merch on demand listings that generates really, high quality keywords. So here it is right here. Now, it's not available to the public yet. I have it as unlisted, but I do plan on making this public in the future. So this is what I called it right here, Merch Keyword Listing Pro. You can see it's made by me, Mike Van, and what it does is it generates optimized Amazon merch listings with SEO rich keywords. Now, I do have to put a disclaimer on it because even though I did instruct it to make sure that it doesn't use anything that's trademarked, I even copied and pasted the terms of service from Merch on Demand, and I had the GPT read it and understand it, so it knows not to use trademark words, but it is not perfect, okay? It can make mistakes, so I just need to, put that disclaimer out there. It is not 100% bulletproof, even though, the times I've used it, I haven't had any problems. Again, just have to put that disclaimer out there that it is, you still have to check for trademarks. So right here I say disclaimer, make sure to always double check your keywords for trademarks before uploading. But what we can do here, or what you can do is, it's actually really cool. You can just upload a design. So let me just scroll down here. This thing is in the way that's bothering me. Let's see if I can do it. Oh man. Okay, give me a second here. Okay, so sorry about that. The little play recording button for my screen recorder was blocking this plus button. So what you want to do is you just want to click on this plus button right here and you want to upload a design. And what the GPT will do is actually read the design and will spit us out a really good brand, title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a loaded description. I kind of shared this with you guys the other day when I made that video about 3 trending niches. It was this one right here, this video. 3 trending niches. I kind of share with you the SEO, as you can see right here. But let's just go back to the GPT, which is right here, and I just uploaded this design that I saw was trending, proud daughter of Mexican immigrants, and then you just want to hit enter. And let's see what it comes up with. So what it's going to do first, it's going to give us 5 title options. All right, so here we have 5 with keywords. Then it's going to give us a suggested brand. Then it's going to give us 1 bullet point. It's going to give us a 2nd bullet point. Then it's going to give us a loaded description. Now, what you can do here is you can actually, play around with it. So one thing that I like to do is I just like to ask it to give me some more, a longer description. So can you create a longer description with rich SEO keywords? And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually take these keywords, we're going to put them into merch on demand. So let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. So right here, so here it's actually added in a couple more paragraphs. Well, actually 4 paragraphs. So look at this. this is the paragraph here, or this is the description right here: celebrate your heritage and embrace your identity. And it's just loaded with keywords. I mean, I'm not going to read it all, but I mean, Latinas, first generation, Chicana women, Mexican American roots. You can just see Hispanic heritage, one celebration. This just makes it so easy. And me personally, I hate doing SEO research. My titles or my SEO is really not the best at all, but this just makes it so easy. And so what we can do now is we can, if you want, you can just take this first title right here. But what I like to do sometimes is actually just, I'll ask it to create an example listing just to make it easier. So can you create a sample, an example listing? Let's see if it just comes up with something nice here, something nice and simple. Okay, no, so it didn't do. So sometimes they'll just do one title and one brand, but no big deal. We can just take this first title right here. So proud daughter of Mexican immigrants, fist symbol, and let's go to merch on demand right here. Let's go ahead and see how these keywords came out to see if they're trademarked or not, because I know that's going to be the big question from everybody. So there we go. There is the first title. Let's go ahead and take the brand. And to be honest, I'm hoping that it does show up something that is trademarked, just so you guys see that it's not 100% perfect. But let's go ahead and take this bullet point right here. But you can just see how easy this is. It's really cool what AI is doing. I know some people don't like it, but I think it's awesome. Okay, and now let's go ahead and get that description. Look how long this description is, just loaded with keywords. Oops. Okay, boom. All right, now it doesn't like the spaces right here, so you just have to hit this little broom button. Cleans everything up. Ooh, I got a sale. Okay, so let's go ahead and check to see if anything is trademarked. So I'm just going to click on this button right here. And what you want to look out for if you have, okay, so here we go. Actually, it looked like it didn't turn up anything. Okay, no, there is some right here. Okay, so if it's yellow, it's safe, but if it's red, then it's trademark. So where it is always trademarked. This always pops up. So I just say where, I just get rid of the it. So where to, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the description. So show love, let's see what's that. So show love is trademarked in the clothing category, so we can't use that. So we want to switch it up. So we can just get rid of this stupid thing. Come on, man. You're messing up my video, man. Okay, so sorry about that. For some reason, I wasn't able to X out of that box. But if it does have anything that's trademarked, what I like to do, let me just get my face out the way here, is to just switch it up. So right here we see show love is trademarked, so we just want to find it in here. So where is show love, Mexican American families? You have to put a space like that to make it more readable. Oh, maybe there's not. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so show love. So right here, so show love is trademark. So we could do show maybe like respect for your parents. Show respect. You just have to switch up the words and then double check. Daughters of is trademarked. So daughters of immigrants, daughters of. So you have to switch it up here. So let's see here. Chicana roots with this design that represents family, culture, and pride. Put a space here. Ideal for proud Latino women. Daughters of, daughters. I mean, if you could just get rid of. I'll just do that just to kind of make things easier for the video. But basically you just want to kind of like switch up the words and not use words that are trademarked. And then stand tall is also trademarked. So right here we're going to see stand tall. So stand, or maybe just get rid of stand tall and just do honor. Okay, so honor your roots and respect and represent your Mexican heritage and pride. Okay, so once you've kind of cleaned it up, then you just want to double check again. But I mean, can we just take a moment to just appreciate how good these keywords are? And is anything, okay, so it looks like this is nothing is trademarked now. I do have my settings set up for Productor for pop sockets, t-shirts, pillows, and tote bags, even though I rarely ever upload to those designs. I just do t-shirts. Right here we can see looks like nothing is trademarked. It's loaded with SEO. You got a nice bullet 1, you got a really nice bullet 2, and then the description is what impresses me the most. I mean, just look how loaded this is. It's a whole bunch of keywords. Okay, now I forgot to actually upload the design, so let me go ahead and find that, and I'm going to go ahead and upload it and see if this goes through. Just make sure this is the right one. Okay, so bam. and I like to have it just for t-shirts. Like I said, I rarely upload to pop sockets. I usually always just upload to t-shirts and always just to the US market. That's just the way I've always done it. Okay, we're just gonna wait. So there it goes. Actually, pretty nice design. Proud daughter. This is a good niche. You could scale it to like son. You can do it to other countries: Colombia, Venezuela, Italy, things like that. But let's just go ahead and see if this goes through. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, and I'm gonna pause the video, and then we'll see if it is processing after a minute or two. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, there it goes. And in literally less than like 3 seconds, as you can see, it's this design right here, proud daughter of Mexican immigrants, is already processing. So it's already went through. So we can see that this ChatGPT or this GPT does a really good job of finding really good keywords that are trademark safe. Now, again, it's not 100%. So when you use it, you always have to double check. You can see here that it did pop up a few, but then you just kind of have to like edit it a little bit, switch out a couple words, put some words in, take some words out. And then you got a listing that is loaded with SEO. I'm really liking this GPT. I'm definitely going to be using it in the future. It just makes SEO so much easier, because the way that I would do it before is I would just basically just copy and paste my title, and I would use that for bullet 1, bullet 2, and then have that in the description as well. And then for a brand, I would just come up with something kind of short and stupid like this right here. So I just was not really good with my SEO, but now with this GPT, I'm definitely going to improve my skills there. Again, like I said, probably make this available for you guys in the future. Probably going to be for a cost. But let me know, what do you guys think about this? Do you guys think this is cool or not? I think it's awesome. But comment below. Let me know, what do you guys think about this GPT? I would love to hear your thoughts. But that is going to be it for today's video. I'm just going to stop it here because I got some things I got to take care of. Usually I would just share with you like some of my other affiliate links. Well, maybe I'll do that. So right here, if you want to support me, I got AI prompts that you could buy. You can sign up to Ideogram, Merch Dominators, who I do my research from. I got a merch course, my Creative Fabrica shop, and then some affiliate links for Etsy, like Everbee Research and Printful. So if you're interested and you want to support me, you can go ahead and take a look at those. If not, it's all good. I'm really more interested about what you guys think about this GPT, because I think it is awesome. It's this one right here. Again, you can talk to it and say, I don't like this title, come up with something different. Or maybe they didn't put the title, the phrase from the design in the title, kind of like this title right here. You don't want that. You want to make sure that the phrase in the design is actually in the title. So you can just talk to it, ask it to, come up with different ideas, ask it to make the bullet points different, longer, etc., etc. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because I'm starting to ramble now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch this next video here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.